This is our multi-span blackout light deprivation greenhouse, which can achieve 100% light deprivation. The size of the greenhouse is 16 x 20 m. One span is 8 meters. The shoulder height is 3 meters. The top height is 4.8 meters. There is a foyer at the front, covered by black and white film. There is a disinfection area between the exterior door and the inner door. The inner door is equipped with an insect net to prevent mosquitoes from entering. There are side ventilation systems on both sides of the greenhouse. There is gutter on each span. Each water gutter on both sides of a roll film top ventilation.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.